How's it going? I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through setting up LM Studio, specifically if you have an AMD graphics card. Like I have an RX 6600, so it's not super demanding based on what model you load. So you're gonna want to go to AMD's website, go ahead and auto detect, unless you've already updated, which I have. Um, get your drivers and auto detect and update. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go to their website, which I'm going to link these two things in the description. Select your operating system. And once you've done that, go through the install process. Once you've installed, let's go ahead and open up LM Studio. Make sure you're in developer mode. You're going to go to Discover. Then you're going to click Runtimes. Then go ahead and select the Vulkan Llama. You're going to install those. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go over here and make sure Vulkan is selected. Once you've set that up, you can actually go back to Discover, find yourself a model, um, something simple to run, which will show you if you can run it. If you can't, literally it'll tell you. You're gonna download. Once that's done, which you'll be able to see it down here, you're actually gonna go back in here, just to the chat window, and select your model to load. You can change how long the conversation is based on this, and it'll tell you the max. So you can go up to that number and make sure your GPU offload is all the way. And you just click load.